Hey hamsters, remember NFTs? Those shiny one-of-a-kind digital treats, or in other words, non-fungible tokens. Unique tokens that exist on a blockchain and cannot be duplicated.
Peter, what are you doing?
I screenshot a couple NFTs.
Back in 2020-21, NFTs gained huge popularity within the Web3 industry, attracting many new communities, especially artists, musicians, and other creatives to the industry. Many NFTs in the form of digital images, files, videos, etc. would instantly become popular and were sold in a matter of minutes for thousands and sometimes millions of dollars. But just like in our hamster wheels, not every spin goes smoothly. In this week's Academy, we're rolling through some of the most epic NFT losses in history. Let's nibble on the details and see which 6 lucky NFT buyers took the hardest hits. Starting at the top, we have the one and only Gary V. Gary Vaynerchuk, aka Gary V, is known as the ultimate hustler, entrepreneur, author, and internet sensation. But when it comes to NFTs, even this savvy hamster took a tumble with his purchase of the Lava Labs CryptoPunks collection, which included 10,000 24x24 pixelated avatar NFTs. The series has gained some traction for being one of the first NFT avatar projects, and now the holy grail of its asset class. Gary V's buy becomes just one of the 24 ape punks, which exchanged hands a few times in the same year, being sold for $1.18 million in March and $731,000 in February. But it was on July 30, 2021, Gary snagged CryptoPunks 2140 for a staggering $3,764,576, 1,600 ETH. This became the 4th highest price ever paid for a CryptoPunk. Wow! And interestingly enough, it was only a few hours after his purchase, the 3rd highest price, $5.4 million, was paid for CryptoPunk 5217. But looking back at 2140, the loss Gary V was said to have seen was a whopping $2 million when the same CryptoPunk was estimated to be worth only $1.7 million. Despite his loss, Gary still holds on to hope that NFTs will play a long-term role in society, kind of like a hamster always on the lookout for the next treat. Gary V was all in on NFTs from the start, calling them the future of digital collectibles. But even he saw the crash coming, a predictable dip with buyers flipping NFTs for a quick profit on the secondary market. Keep in mind, Mr. V had 1,000 NFTs, including 59 CryptoPunks in November of 2021. Despite the shakeup, Gary is still confident the hamster wheel will turn and the NFT market will make a comeback. For his sake, we hope so. Up next on our list is Logan Paul. Logan Paul purchased Azuki's Bumblebee NFT for $667,000, one of 10,000 hand-drawn avatars. At the time, these NFTs gained popularity for having a very different style from the other digital artwork out there. However, like other projects in the NFT bear market, Azuki NFTs took a major hit. At the end of 2022, the YouTube influencer took to Snapchat to share that the value of his prized Bumblebee had plummeted to just $10. He also shared a tweet that his buy was now worth essentially nothing. That's a stunning 99.9995% drop. Ouch! It's like buying a whole stash of sunflower seeds only to find out they're all shells. However, a look at the numbers show that the NFT isn't literally worth $10. Instead, the floor price of the collection at the time of his post suggested the collection was sitting around 0.288 ETH, $378.24. This means his NFT was closer to 6.8 ETH or $9,000, which in our opinion is just a tiny bit better than $10. Joining Logan Paul in the disappointment is none other than Marshmello. DJ Marshmello, known for dropping beats with artists like Selena Gomez, Bastille, and Khalid, hopped on the NFT train in 2021, snagging Augmented Labs Casual King 1680 for $1.4 million AUD, closer to 936,000 USD. But fast forward a year, and that one prized NFT was up on OpenSea for just over $2,000. Talk about a bid drop with hundreds of thousands of dollars of price difference. However, now a recovery might be noted. Fans of Marshmello have since traced CryptoPunk8274, the DJ's newest avatar on X, to a wallet that had 46 NFTs, which included pieces from BAYC, VFrance, Cryptodes, and Wicked Craniums. So, even with a reported and fairly major loss a few years ago, Marshmello appears to be back and better than ever in the NFT space. Another celebrity that succumbed to the mainstream purchasing of non-fungible tokens in 2021? None other than the Grammy nominee, Justin Bieber. And yes, maybe he was a bit late to the party in 2022, but he certainly made his entrance with a bang, purchasing a piece from Yuga Labs Bored Ape Yacht Club BAYC collection, a favorite in the NFT world. The ape is not only a piece of art, but serves as membership to an exclusive club, which includes members-only benefits, including the bathroom, a collaborative graffiti board. At the time, he allegedly dropped 500 ETH, $1.3 million on 3001. Sadly, 3001 now stands at a value of just $56,560. That's a loss of 95.65%. It's like splurging on the fanciest hamster ball only to have it roll off a cliff. Arkham Intelligence has since taken to X to update the numbers, but unfortunately the losses are still lost. The post highlights that Bieber bought more than $2 million of NFTs in 2022, which are now barely worth over $100,000 on April 24th, 2024. Even his wallet on the platform was said to hold just under $500,000 across ETH and Ape. It wasn't just Justin Bieber's Bored Ape that took a hit on this collection. A few other celebrities also took a hit, including one Mr. Stephen Curry. On August 28, 2021, the basketball star Stephen Curry purchased Bored Ape 7990 for approximately $180,000 at the time. The high price was justified by the quote-unquote unique features of this piece, which included the wearing of tweed, which only 1% of apes have, its zombie eyes, which only 3% have, and blue fur, something only 5% of apes share. Then, following his purchase, several people donated to him another 58 NFTs, which included a hand-drawn version of his Bored Ape, a rock, and a pair of scissors. And fortunately, these donations came in handy. But following the market downturn, the highest bid for the NFT was a mere 30.5 ETH, or about $58,000, according to OpenSea. Not as detrimental as a 90% loss, but we'd say 68% is still something to sneeze at. And rounding out our biggest losers is another athlete. Only this time, it is the Brazilian soccer player, Neymar Jr. Back in January 2022, Neymar purchased Bored Ape Yacht Club 5269 for $569,531. Sadly, like the others, his ape was reported to be worth $121,992 only a few months later. For those of you keeping track, that is a loss of $447,539. But unfortunately, 5269 was not alone, as other reports show that the soccer player had spent a total of $1 million on 2 NFTs from this collection, with the value later declining by $700,000.
I'm shocked! This is shocking news!
Sadly, trouble does come in pairs. And that wraps up our NFT Lost Deep Dive, hamsters. Just like navigating our cozy tunnels, the NFT world is full of twists and turns. Some paths lead to shiny treasures, while others, well, they might drop you into a pile of wood shavings. Remember, whether you're investing in NFTs or just rolling through the crypto world, there is always a risk of hitting a bump. But hey, that's all part of the adventure. So keep your eyes sharp, paws steady, and know when it's time to slow down and avoid a steep fall. Thanks for joining today's Academy. Subscribe and remember, hamsters have power. One for all and all for one. Bye!